Hi everyone, welcome to Lonso platform. I'm so happy to see you here. This is Miley. In today's episode, I would like to show you a fantastic robotic cart, and its name is Armbit. Armbit, which is our company's latest product, is a programmable robot kit based on microbits. For its appearance, its wooden structure makes it light and handy, and it's gentle to our hands. Its internal bearing foam allows it to move smoothly. The anti-blocking microservo has built-in lock rotor protection algorithm to protect it from damage. Inside its body, we use microbit as its core controller, matched with plenty of sensors and electronic modules. We can assemble Armbit into 3 different types. It can be work as a line checker, multifunction carrier, or being a robot used for avoiding obstacles. These 3 different types share various functions which based on different levels of program knowledge from easy to difficult so that the users can better learn about the related program and electronic knowledge step by step. As for the control ways or the manipulation of Armbit, we can use mobile phone app to directly control it. Our phone app has built-in 3 different control modes, like stick mode, gravity mode, and line checking and line drawing control mode. What's more, we can also design it through graphical programming by using microbit's JavaScript block editor. That means you don't need to download any programming tool, easy and convenient. We also provide you with 24 fantastic gameplay, including its principles of both hardware and software, as well as the program writing. Not only know how to play it, but also know how to program it. Very useful, right? Now, let's come and find out what are the components of the Armbit. Now, let's open the box together. After opening the box, the first thing that you can see is the rubber check. And this small package contains some screws and nuts, some copper pillars, and some nylons. Here we have made a detailed Word file for introducing this small package, so you can check out by yourself. How about this package? Let's come and have a look. So you can see there are 4 microservos inside this package, with its corresponding screws. And this is the charger. You can install 2 batteries inside it. And how about this one? So you can see, this is the ultrasonic sensor and color sensor. This is line checking sensor. It looks very beautiful, right? And here's our expansion board for microbit, the expansion board. And this is the microbit with its user manual and the USB cable. So this package contains some sensors, some controllers inside it. And how about this one? So you can see there is an ultrasonic stand inside it and some dupont lines, ribbons, and the winding tube. So this package helps you to make the wiring of the Armbit, so very convenient. And this we also provide you with 2 DC motors and with its corresponding screw inside this package. And here are the lithium battery. So beside them, we also provide you with a screwdriver and 3 color objects. Help you to better understand the gameplay, so you can enjoy more fun from them. And finally, here are the brackets of our Armbit. So you can see the material of them is wood. It looks very special and unique. It's very easy for you to assemble them. You just need to simply press it and the brackets will be easily come out. You can try it by yourself. And I really believe you can enjoy a lot of fun from our Armbit. So this is our overall introduction for our Armbit. If you still have any question, please feel free to contact us. See you there!